Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today the course I'm taking Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial something था कुछ sorry Industrial Internet of Things. So in this video I will cover the zero week 0 assignment solution, week 1, week 2, week 3. So ये वीडियो थोड़ी लेंथी होने वाली है गाइस, क्योंकि इसमें मैं आपको 4 वीक्स के टोटल असाइनमेंट्स जितने भी है सबके सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड करने वाली हूँ। तो आपको अलग अलग वीडियोस में नहीं जाना पड़ेगा, आप एक ही वीडियो को ऑन करके रोक कर फिर नेक्स्ट वीक का सॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट करके फिर नेक्स्ट वीक का सॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट कर लेना। इससे आपका टाइम भी बचेगा। और प्लीज़ अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ कर लो और हिट कर दो लाइक बटन को भी, अगर आपको सही लगे तो। ठीक है गाइस, अब स्टार्ट करते हैं वीक 0 के असाइनमेंट से। ठीक है, जो कि प्रैक्टिस वीक है। सो इसे भी कंप्लीट करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है। ठीक है, इसमें कोई टाइमलाइन नहीं है बट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, तो मैं वीक 0 से ही स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ। So the first question is, which component of computer system is primarily responsible for executing instructions and performing logical calculation? So in this, the solution is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Then question, इसको second question हम पे, what is the primary purpose of IP address in a computer network? So the primary purpose is to uniquely identify a device connected to a network. Then which of the following best describes the function of random access memory RAM? So the answer is it it act as volatile temporary storage for data actively being used. So the fourth question comes to the fourth question, which service is responsible for translating human readable domain names into numerical IP addresses? So the answer is DNS, domain name system. Then comes to fifth question, a network that connects computer devices within a limited physical area such as single office building or a university laboratory is known as it is known as local area network, which is called LAN. Then comes to sixth one, in the context of basic computing architecture, which of the following act as input device? So keyboard act as input device because these all are output device. So come to the seventh question, a media access control MAC address is hardware identification number typically hard coded into which component? So domain not domain sorry network interface card. C option is correct. Then comes to the eighth, at the most fundamental hardware level, how is all digital data represented inside a computer? So as a binary digit 0 and 1 s. Which networking device operates by examine income data packets and determine the best part to forward them to their destination cross different networks? So options are a network hub, network router, network switch, wireless access point. So in this option B is correct because network router is the correct answer. Then what does the term cloud storage fundamentally refer to in basic internet architecture? So strong storing data on a remote server managed by a provider and accessed via the internet is correct. Then comes to the 11th question, what is the primary function of operating system, OS? So the solution of 11th is option B, to manage computer hardware resources and provide option. And 12th, in a browser URL bar, what does the HTTP signifies? So the HTTP signify option C is correct, secure. Then 13. Before a real-world physical metric like temperature can be processed by a computer, an analog signal must usually pass through which component? So analog, option C is correct. Analog to digital converter, ADC. Then 14th question, what does the acronym URL stand for? So the acronym URL stand for Uniform Resource Locator, and which protocol is foundationally standard for transmitting web pages and data over the World Wide Web. So the solution is option D is correct, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Then click on check answer and submit. Thank you. ये वीडियो यहीं पे एंड नहीं होती, अब हम वीक सेकंड भी करेंगे, सॉरी फर्स्ट करेंगे, तो प्लीज वीक फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट 1 स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है? तो आप वीडियो पॉज करके स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. देन comes to the first question, which sensor can detect gas like LPG, CH4 and co? So the answer is MQ. Then which modulation scheme does Zigbee use for 2.4 gigahertz band? So the answer is OQPSK. Then what does the Constraint RESTful Environment CoR framework include for service discovery? So all registration interface, resource directory, REST-based protocols such as HTTP, COAP. D option is correct, all of the above. What is the maximum data rate of Z-Wave communication technology? So option A is correct, 100 kbps. Then which protocol is COAP based on? So option C is correct, UDP. Then question 6, which coding scheme is used by the IEEE 80.15.4 standard for transmitting information, DSSS? Option D is correct. What does the range indicate in a sensor? So the range indicates in the sensor is the highest and lowest value of physical quantity within the which the sensor can actually sense. Option D is correct. Then eighth question, which organization has developed the ISA 100.11a standard? So the solution is option B is correct. Then which of the following is the drawback of proprietary non-IP based solution? All the above is correct. Which MQTT QoS level is also known as at most once delivery? So the option A is correct, QoS 0. Which of the fill in the blanks designated by the question mark? So which one? Option C is correct, processor. And then question 12th. In question 12, now the question 12th is, which of the following best describes a vector sensor? So the best describe the vector sensor is option C. Its responses depends on the magnitude, direction, and then comes to the 13th question. Which of the following frequency ranges is used by 6 LOWPN worldwide? So the range option B is correct, to 2400 something megahertz. Then comes to the 14th question. In DDS, RTPS, data is referred to as, so data referred to as topics. Option D is correct. Then comes to 15th question. Which of the following IoT protocol is based on the session layer of a OSI model? MQTT. Option A is correct. So गाइस वीक 1 भी कंप्लीट हो गया, अब वीक 2 करेंगे. सो वीडियो को पॉज करके वीक 2 के असाइनमेंट को खोल लो एंड देन मेरे साथ साथ
So guys, week 2
साइमल्टेनियसली
assignment
सारे
2 का जो
सॉल्यूशंस टिक करते
एक
रहो.
ही क्वेश्चन को मैं सॉल्यूशन दूंगी, तो आप
टर्न बाय टर्न टिक कर लेना, ठीक है मेरे साथ. देन कम्स टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज सिग्निफिकेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ न्यू मटेरियल्स इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द फोर्थ इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन? सो द लाइटर, stronger, recyclable and adaptive option is correct. Option B is correct actually. Then comes to the question second. Which of the following is not a characteristics of the fourth industrial revolution? So which was the not? So the option C is correct. Invention of the steam engine. Then question third. What is considered the main nervous system of any manufacturing industry? So information and communication technology, ICT is correct. Then comes to the question fourth. Which of the following is not a characteristics of sustainable industry? So reliance on government subsidy. Then question fifth. What does LD&T stand for under people engagement in the lean production system? So option A is correct. Learn, do, teach. Then comes to question 6. Which resource is associated with the optimization categorization of smart and connected products? So option A is correct. Optimization algorithm. Then seventh question. State true or false. The amalgamation of CPS and the evolution of internet based technologies led to the development of industrial internet. So the option A is correct, true. Then comes to eighth question, state true false. Real time supply chain monitoring reduce inventory and capital requirements, true. Then comes to eighth question, in the context of industry 4.0, what is the full form of CPS? So full form of CPS is cyber physical system. Option D is correct. Then what does ERP stand for in the context of ICT? ICT. So enterprise resource planning. Option A is correct. Then comes to the 11th question. What is value stream in lean production system? So the answer is B. All the action required for the product from order to delivery. Then 12th question, which of the following are the key attributes of a smart business model? So the answer is B, value proportion, revenue streams and technologies. Then comes to which of the following is not a component of a smart factory? So option D is correct, physical ledgers. Then in 14th question, in which format is healthcare data transmitted to maintain data uniformity and interoperability? Operability. So the answer is LH7. Option A is correct. Then comes to 15th question. What are the key characteristics of agility? So key characteristics are flexibility, adaptation, and self configuration. So week 2 is completed. Then after submitting comes to the week 3rd and pause the video and start week 3rd with me. Then after completing week 3rd, I will provide you this whole video, and please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. I requested you guys so many times, so please subscribe the channel. And comes to the week 3rd, pause the video. And so guys, after week 2nd, we comes to the week 3rd. In first question, what does reactive computation in CPS signify? So option B is correct. Interaction with the environment is ongoing manner. Then question second, which the blanks, fill in the blanks in healthcare application CPS is used for? So CPS is used for the image guided surgery and therapy. Option A is correct. Then which level in 5C architecture ensures the gathering of precise status information of machines? So option A is correct, conversion. Then fill in the blanks, intelligent sensors are capable of. So option B is correct, processing sense data and managing external sensor devices. Then comes to the how many fifth question, how many steps are there in the PLM solutions approach in industry 4.0? So option A is correct, 10. Then comes to the sixth question, which of the following is not a key component of an AR device? So remote control, option D. Seventh question, which of the following is not a challenge of AI in double IoT? So the solution is connecting device, option A. Then option 8, which of the following is not one of the primary constants of mobile CPS? So option D is correct, design aesthetics. Then comes to the ninth question, what are the components of the 5C architecture for CPS? So option A is correct, connection, conversion, cyber, cognition, and configurations. Then comes to the 10th question, what is one of the key feature of CPS in terms of computation? So key features are B option is correct, reactive computation. Then comes to the 11th question, what is the collaboration platform in the context of industry 4.0? So option A is correct, a type of business software that combines organizational networking capacities with operations. Then comes to 11th question, what is a key feature of augmented reality, AR? So option B is correct, enhancing the present perception of reality. Then 13th, who proposed the first use of phrase artificial intelligence? So John M. McCarthy is one who introduced the artificial intelligence. Then comes to the 14th question, which of the following statement is true? So option C is correct, because a program with AI use a large knowledge base and heuristic search method. Then comes to 15th question and the last one of this video, which of the following are constraints of mobile CPS? So option D is correct, all of these. So guys, I have completed the whole week that are uploaded in the courses. So you have to just in one video you get the 4 week solutions. And please hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching this video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग वीक्स में, उनके सॉल्यूशंस आपको ऑन टाइम मिलेंगे, इसलिए नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइम पे मिलेगी अगर आप सब्सक्राइब बटन दबा दो. थैंक यू गाइस.